Septima Tech's 5S change part carts are custom designed to fit your parts, changeover process, and storage needs. Every part has a dedicated location for instant identification, easy visual assurance, and ready access. A place for every part and everything in its place. Septima Tech's 5S storage carts provide optimal organization in a lightweight, easily maneuverable cart. It rolls smoothly, even on rough surfaces. Locking casters provide safe, secure loading and unloading. 5S change part carts are constructed of washed-down inert materials for effortless on-cart change part cleaning. Secure, robust mounts reduce part loss and damage. Septima Tech 5S carts are proven solutions for pharmaceutical and food companies with strict cleanroom and FDA compliance requirements. Optional drawers, doors, and covers keep parts sanitary and secure during transport and storage. Septima Tech, one of the pioneers of 5S carts, has more than a quarter of a century of providing 5S storage solutions. Our 5S and lean manufacturing experts work closely with you to design storage options that best fit your needs. All designs are validated, then simulated to ensure optimal storage and alignment with your changeover requirements. We have designed and built a wide range of 5S storage solutions for hundreds of lines worldwide, performing thousands of changeovers a day. Companies standardizing on Septima Tech's 5S change parts carts receive faster, more efficient changeovers, less changeover error, increased confidence with pharmaceutical compliance, more efficient part storage in less space, improved ergonomics and reduced risk of injury, faster recognition of missing or damaged change parts, peace of mind that all change part for changeover are available so uptime is maximized. Contact us today to take your 5S change part storage and changeover efficiency to the next level of lean manufacturing. Our reputation is based on your success.